So today we are going to study about the oxygen cycle. You know that the oxygen is the very important for our life. It is used for the respiration, and without oxygen we cannot live. But some organisms also do having the anaerobic respiration. So we are going to study in detail about this cycle. It It is found as the elemental form. It is found in the form of the elemental form into the atmosphere, and it makes about the 21%, and it is also found in the combined form, combined form as the carbon dioxide and in the earth crust, in the earth crust and in the form of the in the crust, it is found at the oxides of oxides of most metals, oxides of most metals, and it is also as the uh, carbonates, nitrates, carbohydrates, nitrates, etc. These are the different forms in which oxygen is present. In elemental form as O2. It is makes about the 21%. In the combined form, it is as the carbon dioxide, and in the earth crust as the oxides of the most metals, at the uh, carbonates, nitrates, etc. etc. It also makes an important component of the biomolecules as biomolecules biomolecules as carbohydrates, carbohydrates, proteins as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, fats are the lipids, and nucleic acids, nucleic acids. In these form, is oxygen is present. So now how cycling takes place in the atmospheric oxygen. This atmospheric oxygen is used in the process of the respiration, and during the respiration water is produced, carbon dioxide is also produced, but water H2O is produced, and in the same way organic molecules means that is the glucose. It is formed during the process of the photosynthesis, and this organic molecule glucose plus atmospheric oxygen, it is used during the process of the respiration. As a result, carbon dioxide and water is the produced, and this carbon dioxide and the water is used by the green plant during the process of the photosynthesis, and as a result of the photosynthesis, organic molecules means carbon dioxide is produced, organic molecules mean the glucose is produced, and oxygen is also produced. It is added into the atmosphere. In this way, this oxygen cycles occurs into nature. There is the only mainly one way by which this oxygen enters into the atmosphere, and that is the process of the photosynthesis. So once more you see that during the respiration what happens, organic molecules, oxidation of the organic molecules takes place, and in the oxidation of the organic molecules this oxygen is utilized, and as a result respiration takes place, and during the respiration energy is produced, and as a byproduct carbon dioxide plus water is produced. This carbon dioxide and the water is used during the process of the photosynthesis, and during the photosynthesis two products are produced. One is the organic molecule and other is the oxygen. So in this way cyclic movement of the oxygen takes place into the nature. Thank you. That's for today.